Police in Pangani, Nairobi are holding a suspect linked with vandalism of guardrails along the eastern bypass and parts of the highway near Cabanas. The vandals have been stealing the guardrails and selling them to scrap metal dealers. NTV's Steve Juma with the details.
The eastern bypass has made travel easier and reduced perpetual jam city roads for hours. But not all see the roads as just a highway. Scrap metal vandals have seen an opportunity to make money by stealing the guardrails that contractors are putting up on the highway.
For safety, okay? Cha kwanza. Mimi niko kama kuna mbinu yetumika au rashibu.
Police from Pangani were in pursuit of the night criminals who have been putting the safety of the road users at risk. The operation was conducted by plainclothes officers. They have been informed by a concerned citizen, which led to the discovery of suspects behind the vandalism in Ngara, Nairobi. At the store in Ngara, police recovered streetlight poles, guardrails, sewer covers, bridges, road railings, telecoms equipment, manhole covers, power installations and road signs. The suspect told the police that the rail are sold at 70 shillings per kilogram.
Sio mimi nanunuaga, mwenye kuniajiri ndio ananunua, mimi kazi yangu ni kuuza tu.
Police arrested him and took him to Pangani police station pending investigation and arrest of other culprits who remain at large. The extent of vandalism and destruction on the eastern bypass and the Cabanas stretch to Mombasa Road is alarming.
Wakati barabara inatengenezwa, hao huwa wanasimama pale wanaangalia vile barabara inatengenezwa. Tena hivyo wakati baada ya barabara kutengenezwa, inatakana tena waangalie vile barabara inavyoendelea.
Steve Juma, NTV.